Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something super exciting, something that no YouTuber or person has ever done, ever. I am going to be making the cheapest ukulele in the world. And I have my sister here for moral support because this is a very stressful, taxing project. Are you excited, Eden?
Very.
So you're probably wondering, the cheapest ukulele in the world? Well, how much does it cost? I am bringing this to you at the wonderful price of free. And you might be wondering, but how? These are things that you can just get from your mom because she would probably throw them out anyway. So there are a few essential materials that you need. First of all, an empty tissue box. Your mom just throws these away anyway, so why not just be like, hey mom, I need to make a ukulele, so pop that tissue box over to me. The second material you need is a paper towel roll. And you might think, oh my goodness, this is too long, but we're gonna cut it to size.
Snippy, 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 snip.
Okay, maybe you shouldn't be commenting. The next thing you need is 4 rubber bands, preferably the ones that are large enough to go over the entire tissue box. Otherwise, we're gonna have some issues.
They might snap.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know what this one's doing in here, but you know, goodbye. Because ukuleles have 4 strings, get it? Duh. Yeah, okay. You're also gonna need some Sharpies of your choice. They can be any color. We don't discriminate on this channel. No.
No.
You're gonna need some skizzers. I have my baby skizzers. The adult skizzers are probably preferred.
But baby skizzers are safer. Safer for the children.
Because I'm 12. And the last thing that you need, but also one of the most important things, is some tape. You know what's really ironic about this is my tape dispenser fell apart, so I used the tape to tape it back together.
That's funny.
That is honestly a great representation of my life. The first step is to put the rubber bands over the tissue box. So we're gonna start with this. You wanna hold this for me?
Gladly.
See, this is why you need a sister to morally support you. Gonna put string number 1 on, the G string. Gonna G note you all. Now we got the C string, so it needs to go below the G string. You know how ukuleles work. Oh, I'm not doing very good. Oh no, is the box gonna break?
Nah, it's good, fam. It's good. Let's hear the C string. Yeah, sounding good.
Now we got our E string. It's gonna go right below that C string. Maybe next time I should just go from the bottom.
Ready?
Okay.
Ding!
Beautiful.
Good.
Wow, this is a great quality ukulele we have right here. Okay.
We might need to move the strings.
Yeah, move the strings.
But we might need to tune it since I'm moving the strings.
Okay, we'll tune it at the end.
Also, this ukulele is crushing.
Okay guys, we have the very last string. You might have to stretch it because you know sometimes that's what you got.
Hey, the funny thing is, let's turn it.
Yeah.
Do it.
Okay. That's like smart. You're very smart, clever.
Okay, let's make
now
sure.
we have all strings. Bum, 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 bum. Ba-dum. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, girl.
Okay, next we're gonna put the neck on. Okay, it's a free ukulele. What else do you expect?
My chin fits perfectly in this.
But you know what? Okay, for all of you who are gonna be in the comments section saying, this isn't a ukulele, this is so stupid, and who are tempted to click that dislike button, you know what? Just because it's not an effective, pretty ukulele, doesn't mean it's not still a ukulele.
We treat all ukuleles the same, no matter what they look like and how they sound.
Okay, next we're gonna cut the neck to size. So I need to figure out. Should we
Yeah,
put
the
it
neck
on
is
the
going.
deformed
Yes,
side?
the poor deformed
Okay,
ukulele.
I think maybe like that long.
Yeah.
Oh shoot, straight line, Elise. Come on, straight. Here.
Your baby skizzers are not doing it.
Yay! We did it, fam. I'm not gonna say fam again. So let's get the tapey tape now.
I will.
Gonna-
We did it. Bam!
And we're gonna
tapey.
tape the neck on. This is going to be a very great taping job. I don't know why I decided to put the tape on like that. That was very dumb.
That was not effective at all.
You know, this is trash. trash. Okay, we're not gonna talk about
Literally, it is trash. Do you want me to do the tape?
How about
and
you tape? This is not working out.
Let the teacher tape.
Okay, well that's good enough. Then next, the very last step is we are gonna draw on the strings. So you see the rubber bands can't exactly go up here because your entire uke would just be crushed and it would look terrible, unlike this wonderful masterpiece. So instead we're gonna pretend that there's strings on the neck and the fretboard with our Sharpies.
Okay.
So let me open up my Sharpie. Okay, we're gonna try to match up the strings. So let's start down here. Ooh, wow, a straight line. Look, I'm so artistic.
Oof.
Okay, but you know what I want to do is I have a blue Sharpie too, so I'm gonna alternate the strings because we like to be colorful on this channel. So here's the next. Oh, whoa, that got a little bit close to. Okay, we'll do this.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Wait. Oh, wait, okay. For a second, I thought I did something wrong. And then our last string. Yay! We did it!
We did it. We did it. We did it.
Okay,
yeah.
now for the final test of playing my ukulele, I'm gonna play a C chord.
Do you need me to
Oh,
hold
wait,
the neck?
wait, I forgot the frets. How could I be so uncultured? Okay, we're gonna draw on the frets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have a ukulele with 8 frets. I basically invented my own new instrument. This is how creative I am.
Oh goodness.
So let's play it. I'm gonna do a C chord.
Okay, ready?
Bum. She asked me, son, when I grow old, will you buy me a house of gold? And when your father turns to stone, will you take care of me?
Man, you're going hard, girl.
Okay guys, so I realized that actually before I forgot to tune it. So now that the ukulele is tuned, let's see if it sounds any better. 1, 2, 3, 4. It sounds so pretty! This was probably the dumbest video that I've ever made.
When you run out of ideas.
Shut up, this was a great idea. All right, so this is kind of sad, but you know what? I'm gonna hang it up on the uke wall.
Ooh,
I think it deserves right there. That's good. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, it'd be awesome if you could give it a thumbs up. And also make sure to let us know in the comments if you tried making this ukulele, if you were following along. How did it go for you? Maybe you have some tips for us for the next time that we get crafty on my channel, because Lord knows we need help. If you want more serious ukulele videos, I will put a card up there and also a link in the description so you can go watch something that's not this ridiculous.
Yeah, please do.
We hope you all have a fantastic day. Don't forget to drink your water,
Eat your vegetables.
and be a good person. We love y'all. Bye.